Hey everybody, welcome to the adventures of the Oklahoma Grunt Man. Hope you're having a wonderful Thursday. It's a beautiful day here in Woodward. 56 degrees, nice and sunny. Just out here driving the Buick, seeing if I can reset the tire pressure thing that it went yesterday, but I'm not doing something right. The manual don't tell me much of anything. I might have to run to the tire store or something and see if they know how to reset them. I might stop at Hutch's again and just recheck the pressure and make sure they didn't go down again overnight. If they did, then I'm going to have to take them and see where they're leaking or what's going on there. It says the same pressure as yesterday, so I don't think they went down any. But I'll just stop by Hutch's and check it out once. Just to make sure. Day 49 already of my 100 days in a row. Time really flies by in a hurry. Yeah, tomorrow will be day 50. Halfway there. And also I got a card in the mail from Teresa Stone. I haven't opened it yet, but I got that in the mail. I made 7 pints of brown sugar and honey barbecue sauce. I gotta make some sweet and spicy yet before the farmer's market. And I'm going up here to Walmart and start buying stuff for baking. Here today yet. But yeah, just wanted to get my vlog started. I think I'll run by Hutch's there quick and just check the air pressure on the tires and get that done. And we'll see how the rest of the day goes here. And yeah, it's all good. I don't think the tires are low. I just don't know how to reset the sensors. I can't believe it would be that difficult, but you never know. I'm not the brightest bulb in the box. And Google or YouTube don't tell me anything. So but we'll get it figured out. It's not that difficult. I'm sure we can figure it out. But anyway, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm just kind of babbling on here. Like I say, it's a gorgeous day. It didn't freeze last night. I thought it was supposed to, but it only got down to like 35, 36 was the last I seen. But I got up this morning and I ordered some labels off Amazon to do my labels with for my canning stuff, so I got to work on that yet today. Get them printed, start getting them put on. I think I counted, I got 47 pints of different stuff done so far. And I got to make some more barbecue sauce yet, but that should be about it for the canning stuff that I got to do. And then it'll just be all baking. I got to bake a pie, one pie for this week to bring to church. And then I got 11 pies to do for a lady from church for Thanksgiving. And then I got to just bake for the farmer's market. So right after Thanksgiving, I'm just going to be baking. It's going to be a busy week. Right after Thanksgiving, getting ready, and then I got to make a roaster full of ham and beans yet for the farmer's market. So that won't be so bad though. Just throw the ingredients in and make the ham and beans. So, but anyway, I'm just babbling on. I'm going to stop here at Hutch's and check the air on the tires just to make sure, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do. So we'll talk to Hey everybody, I just stopped and checked the air again, and the air pressure was fine, so I just got to figure out how to reset these stupid sensors. I can't believe they'd make it this difficult, but we'll get it figured out. I got to run some errands yet this afternoon, and then I got to run out to Walmart after bed yet and get some stuff for baking. And not sure what else I'm going to get done yet today. If I get ambitious, I might do some barbecue sauce for the sweet and spicy one yet today, but we'll have to see how that goes. I think I'll have to get some more fruit jars. I think I only got 1 or 2 left. And then I got to go through the freezer and see what I got left for fruit that I can use to bake with. I know I got blackberries, and I know I got raspberries. I got a few blueberries, a few strawberries. I don't know if I have any bananas left. That would be nice if I did, because I usually make banana bread, and I sell a lot of banana bread. And the price of bananas is crazy right now. But anyway, we'll pick this up later when I figure out what I'm doing. So we'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, I got this beautiful Thanksgiving card from Teresa Stone. It says, "Abundant blessings at Thanksgiving. Praying your celebration is blessed to overflowing with all of the good things God takes such joy in giving. Happy Thanksgiving. Love, Teresa Stone. So thank you, Teresa. I really appreciate this. I cherish everything that you guys send me. It's just a blessing how good everybody supports my channel and supports me and my endeavors. I truly appreciate it. I can't say it enough. I mean, it sounds repetitious because basically it is, but it really does mean a lot to me. And then I got my labels, so I can go print labels. Get that done. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So we'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, just a little update. I stopped up here at Salvation Army. Don't sound like there's going to be any bell ringing here in Woodward this year. The lady that is the new director here quit on the 12th. So there's nobody to head it up. So unless things change, there's probably won't be any bell ringing. Kind of sucks because I always enjoyed that. But, it is what it is, and that's all we can do, I guess. So I just wanted to give you that update. Hey everybody, I'm just on my way up to the farmers market meeting. We had a special meeting tonight, getting ready for the Christmas bazaar. So I'm just heading up there quick. Just wanted to get you guys this little update. Yeah, just on my way up there. Shouldn't take too long, so we'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, just wanted to get you a clip here of all the canned goods I got done so far. This outside row is the raspberry habanero. Then second row is strawberry jam. Third row is just regular raspberry jam. This is the medium salsa. This is the hot salsa. This is this sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. I've only got 2 of them so far. I got to make more yet. And this is the brown sugar and honey that I made today. All in all, I think there was 40 some pints that I've got done so far. For the Christmas bazaar at the farmers market, but just wanted to get you that little clip. We'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, hope you had a wonderful Thursday. Just going to finish up my video here. Actually had a pretty good day. It was a long day. I just got back home from the farmers market meeting. We got everything finalized for the Christmas bazaar. I've been up since about 4:30 this morning. Got quite a bit done. I needed to get more done, but just take it one day at a time and we'll get her done. So anyway, just need to end my video here. Like I always say, treat everybody the way you want to be treated and make this world a better place. Keep moving toward your goals. I'm on day 49. Tomorrow is halfway to my 100 videos in a row. So that's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Halfway there. Getting ready for Thanksgiving. I got to make a pie Saturday for church. We have Thanksgiving service at the Catholic Church on Sunday night. And our church has got to bring 12 pies, so I volunteered to make one, donated one. And then I got to make 11 pies for the lady from church for Thanksgiving, so I'll be working on that probably Tuesday and Wednesday, and I got to bring them over Wednesday night or Wednesday afternoon. I'll deliver them to her, and they'll be ready for Thanksgiving. So, yeah, got a busy week coming up ahead, and then after that, it's starting for the farmers market Christmas bazaar. Oh, excuse me. So from now until the Christmas bazaar, I'm going to be fairly busy. Hopefully I can get you some of the baking with me and take you along for that. But anyway, I'm rambling on here again. Like I said, we're hitting our goals. Be nice, be kind, be the most awesome, amazing, and wonderful person that you can possibly be. Thank you again, Teresa Stone, for the card. Definitely appreciate it. God bless you guys. I love each and every one of you, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.